Ngabana John Lonyangapuo akoretwo mohoro-ini ni undu wa ciugo ciake iria itigaga mundu agiturwo ni mbaru ni mitheko.
Parliament is paid, Senator. Parliament is paid even to go to the moon.
Na ekinyia mbere ya kamiti ya Senate iigii thirikari cia matura gucokia ciuria ciigi kuria munini wake akoragwo mitheko ino ndinariganira.
Looks like the petitioner is one Dennis Kapchok, who is also the same as the man I described as kijana fupi round. It's the same man. Yes.
Lonyangapuo arauga munini wake Nicholas Atudonyang athiire America ni undu wa ndwari yake na ya mwana wake.
He left December, just end of December, and he was supposed to come in April because he had a problem, a sick child.
Atudonyang ari dagitari wa meciria miaka 15 bururi-ini wa America mbere ya guthurwo ta munini wa governor, na thafari ciake cia mahinda kwa mahinda ciambiriirie mwaka muthiru niakoretwo agiteithia kaunti iyo.
The equipment and medical equipment he sourced for us arrived in September last year.
Kuuma hau Lonyangapuo akimwira gucoka kwamukira mucara wake wa 600 o mweri na agitithio wira ta CEC wa ugima wa mweri.
Then he said my salary should be terminated. So we removed every salary.
Which month?
September. End of September last year. Up to date he's not earning salary.
Masenita a kamiti ino igitongorio ni John wa Laikipia ni matetetie uthayo uria ukoretwo giturwo-ini kia anini a governor, no Lonyangapuo akaririkania masenita ya wira wao wigie watho.
Most of these governors, deputies, I think we should put the law in place to take care of them and to make sure that they are accountable. But the way it is hanging.
You know, there are things that you cannot do. I cannot sack him. So I cannot tell you that things are not running or things are running.
He should be asked to resign if there is no proper mechanism of removing him.
The only available means that can assist counties is Parliament and investigative institutions such as EACC, DPP and so on. I don't know what Songo did until he is left. And I am wondering why we're also wasting that opportunity. Mine, at least mine is better. Nairobi is also becoming a bad example because we should just appoint somebody in the streets here quickly. City hall is near here and it's almost vacant every day.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.
Consistently absconded from the statutory duties to attend